Safe and sound. Completely safe and unharmed. Example, after the long journey, we reached home safe and sound. High and low. Searching everywhere. Example, I looked high and low for my lost keys, but I couldn't find them. On and off. Something happening occasionally. Example, we've been studying English on and off for a year now. Now and then. Sometimes, occasionally. Example, I like to go for a walk now and then. Head to toe. Completely covered. Example, she was dressed in red from head to toe. Day and night. All the time. Example, he worked day and night to complete the project. Thick and thin. Supporting someone in good and bad times. Example, true friends stand by you through thick and thin. On and on. Continuing without stopping. Example, she talked on and on about her vacation. Face to face. Meeting someone in person. Example, after chatting online for months, we finally met face to face.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.